Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Hey Google on your Android Auto while you're driving. So if you want to turn on the phrase where it says Hey Google while you're connected to Android Auto while driving, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, then tap on Settings, scroll down and find Connected Devices. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Android Auto. Here you want to go ahead and scroll down, and in the assistant part where it says Hey Google Detection, tap on this. So you get hands-free help from Assistant from Google, either Gemini or Google Assistants. So you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. And if it's not turned on, go ahead and go through the instructions of teaching Google your voice. And then you want to go ahead and turn this feature on called While Driving. So this works in driving mode in Google Maps or in Waze. So when you say, Hey Google, it basically recognizes your voice. And you can basically ask for assistance from Google, either Gemini or Google Assistants. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on Hey Google on your Android Auto while driving.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.